襄阳
Overseas Chinese Town Aquarium.
襄阳
Overseas Chinese Town Fantasy Valley, with a total investment of 4 billion RMB, covers an area of about 450,000 square meters. It is a one-stop, space exploration-style theme park. Among of them, the Mystery Ocean Dragon Tour theme Ocean World is created by Le Swim, in order to better meet people's exploration and curiosity of the ocean through various forms such as ornamental, entertainment, immersive interaction, and marine popularization. At the beginning of its design, the aquarium incorporates the current most popular display methods and interactive experiences. The Dragon Tour innovative sightseeing submarine brings the tourists gently into the quiet and beautiful ocean world, dives underwater, and watch countless beautiful marine life swimming freely at zero distance. The super large size exhibition tank provides myriad of possibilities for the magical mermaid show, playing closely with the fish, bringing a different experience for tourists and get along with the harmony of people and marine life. Watch the sea lions swim underwater and listen to their playful barks. They float on the surface of the performance pool from time to time to jump up. Their wonderful performance won the love and applause of the tourists. Visit the indoor touch pool to meet the marine invertebrates like crabs, starfish, marine snails, and sea urchins. Explore this hands-on encounter and learn more about these amazing animals. Various tanks in the ocean world show the most typical and representative ornamental fish on the earth, meet people's curiosity, and explore more mysteries of the ocean. Guangdong Le Swim Water Environment Equipment Company Limited, founded in 1989, has participated in the creation of a number of large-scale public aquarium, commercial aquarium, aquaculture and other water environment engineering projects. Le Swim has the overall solution of planning, design, product manufacturing and supply, as well as the installation and commission of the equipment. We are committed to becoming a manufacturer with comprehensive strength in the industry.